The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has officially been unveiled today, along with the whole list of specifications and the debut date. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be dust-resistant, which is the first story of the day before the reveal. According to Itanyang on Twitter, this feature wasn't originally intended for the Fold 5, but the Fold 5 was already structurally dust-proof. While water resistance is great, dust resistance is arguably more important as your phone will come into contact with dust on a much more frequent basis. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5's complete spec sheet has been made available. Thanks to Yogeshbra on Twitter, we now know the device has a 7.6-inch 120Hz main display, a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus outer display, 12 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage, and, of course, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Now, a tweet confirms that we will be receiving a 50+12+12 camera arrangement, which is significantly different from the previous, and he also confirms a 4400 mAh battery with 25-watt quick charging. Currently, we already have Yogesh Bra informs us that the launch will take place on July 26th or 27th, contrary to what TMRO officially said. We also have a tweet from Snoopy Tech, who informs us that in addition to the Watch 6, the Tab S9 series, and the Buds 3, the unpacked launch will have the Z Fold 5 and the Flip 5. Following all the rumors of a creaseless display, we have a tweet from Ice Universe who claims to know the precise measurements of the crease in the Galaxy Z Fold 5's display. He claims that while the new water drop hinge has made the crease better, it is still 15 less than the Fold 4 and that the crease does still look similar. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 design has reportedly prompted some concerns from Samsung staff members, according to Ice Universe. He claims that once you see the Fold 5, you'll understand and wonder, wasn't this the Fold 4? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.